Hey guys, today we're on 82nd Street and Amsterdam, and we're about to start demo on a triplex condo inside a historic townhouse here, very close to Central Park West. The owner's already moved out. This has 3 stories inside of a brownstone. Some of the stuff that we're going to go through here is very common in a lot of these old brownstones. Our scope here involves replacing all of the floors, leveling all of the floors and all the joists, which is key. And I'll show you guys some areas downstairs that will resonate with those who've actually lived in brownstones in the past or have entertained purchasing one. We're going to be gutting this kitchen, giving this entire area a facelift, new lighting, the bathroom, the guest room, that's all going to be done. Here, the layout is largely the same, but when I take you guys downstairs to the bedroom floor and then the cellar/entertainment floor, that's where we're doing a lot of our modifications. Let's go down. This will be the mudroom. This is the garden level of the actual brownstone. You could enter from here or from upstairs. This will have a mudroom here, coats, golf clubs, whatever it may be. That will be the spillover room. This entire floor will be completely reconfigured. The major thing here that was the pain point when we looked at this project before the owner bought this house, they brought us in and wanted our take on it. The major thing here was the floors. They're slanting. You can notice it when you look at these doors here. You'll see how off level this floor is. Now, this is super common in brownstones where you'll find around the stairwell areas because of how they framed it in the past with the joist running around a header that creates a U around the stairwell, and this essentially carries all the weight here. What ends up happening is you always have a sag, and you'll see it in staircases that make noise. There's a little bit of a tilt and a sag on the staircase. This entire area will have to be corrected. As such, we're demoing all these walls. We're going to sister the joist and level the floors here. This is going to be the primary suite with an exit to the backyard, which we're going to reconfigure to have a larger walk-in closet, a larger ensuite bathroom that will have a double vanity, a much more organic layout. This is a little cramped. They try to fit a lot of things in here, probably to sell the property, but we're going to make this a home, so we want to make this a bit more spacious and really give this an ensuite bathroom and room and in a primary bedroom that is suitable for a 3,300 square foot triplex. So this entire area gets reconfigured. We'll have an additional bedroom over there in the front of the home. This bathroom will get reconfigured as well with a larger soaking tub. This is going to be one of the kids' rooms when they come and visit. We'll reconfigure this space as well for them. The railings are going to change. We're going to give this a facelift. All these closets are all going to go. We're going to spruce all this up. Now going down to the cellar, and it's what I would call the man cave of the home. Again, the same issue. Look at this bow here. If you follow the baseboards, you'll notice how off the leveling is here. We have a lot of work to do in terms of leveling and straightening out this space. We're going to keep this largely open. This entire area will be full millwork with an aquarium and an office area for him. We're going to have a bar here and a powder room. Again, this is mostly an entertainment area for him and a place that he will spend time with the kids, friends, just kick back and relax.